MG Road. One of the most iconic places in Bengaluru. From famous restaurants, pubs and shopping malls, this is a very happening place. It's got the famous Church Street and Brigade Road right next door. But right 50 feet below this, there's a buzz of activity. Hundreds of metro labourers are working 24/7 to finish the pink line of Namma metro. We managed to get some exclusive access to the work going on there, and we are taking you with us. We also have the first visuals of some of the metro stations on the pink line. So let's go. Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation Limited, BMRCL, started construction on the pink line in August 2021. This 21.26 kilometer line connects Kalena Agrahara in South Bengaluru to Nagavara in the north. This stretch from Nagavara to Dairy Circle, a distance of 13.76 km, is underground. This stretch has 12 stations including Tannery Road, Pottery Road, Cantonment and Shivaji Nagar. From MG Road, the pink line continues on to the Rashtriya Military School near the bustling Johnson Market and goes on till Dairy Circle, where it finally surfaces to an elevated track. The rest of the 7.5 km stretch is overground, where the pink line then connects important spots like JP Nagar and IIM Bengaluru before terminating at Kalena Agrahara. This line has 3 interchange stations. These have the potential to change the commute ecosystem of the city by connecting residential hubs with various commercial zones. Commuters along the pink line can hope to get to the airport by switching at the Nagavara station. The MG Road interchange connects with the purple line, which ultimately connects Whitefield in the east on one end and Kengeri and Chalgata in the west on the other. The Jayadeva Institute interchange will be a game changer once it's ready. The intersection of the yellow line here connects to the green line on one side, making this entire stretch from Silk Institute in South Bengaluru to Madhavara in North Bengaluru accessible. Jayadeva also connects to Central Silk Board, from where commuters can hop off at Electronic City and finally at Bommasantra. So it's all very exciting, right? We can't wait for it to be ready. So I'm going to show you some of the underground metro stations right now. Right below me is the underground MG Road metro station that falls on the pink line. So let's go. The work at the MG Road station is 80% complete. Workers are busy painting the station, laying the granite for flooring. The air conditioning units are ready for installation. The MG Road metro station is 19 meters below the surface, making it one of the deepest metro stations of the Namma metro. From MG Road, we walk towards the Shivaji Nagar metro station. This is a 1 kilometer stretch in the metro tunnel. Tunneling between this stretch was done by 2 tunnel boring machines, Avni and Lavi. Lavi, which was tunneling from MG Road to Shivaji Nagar in the northbound direction, took 388 days to tunnel 1076 meters.
We encountered one of the toughest rock, that is dolerite, which has a strength of around 280 MPa or 300 MPa, that too in the form of boulders. So comparing to that in other places, this hard rock is not there. We managed to cross those stretch with boulders. Though it took a bit more time, there was no untoward incidents in the form of sinkhole or settlement to the buildings or ground in the surface.
You see all these concrete rings here? No manual labor was involved to lay these rings. These prefabricated pieces of reinforced concrete are bolted together by the tunnel boring machines as it inches its way forward. These pieces fit perfectly like a jigsaw puzzle. These high-strength concrete rings are 5.8 meter in diameter and are built by M50 Concrete, one of the most superior grade of concrete in construction right now. After a 15-minute walk through the newly made tunnel, we reach the Shivaji Nagar metro station. Here also, work is going at full pace. Once the station is ready, commuters can deboard to connect to the city's bus network. Right next door is St. Mary's Basilica and the Boring Hospital. Commercial Street, one of Bengaluru's most popular shopping hubs, is not far away. For our next stop, we turned around in the opposite direction to go to Laksandra in South Bengaluru, where Rudra, one of the tunnel boring machines, is at work. The tunnelling between Dairy Circle and Laksandra is complete in both directions. We stopped at the Laksandra metro station to see Rudra, the TBM at work. Rudra is currently tunnelling a 720-meter stretch from Laksandra to Langford town. This is a 100-meter long machine. It can bore through hard rock, sand and almost anything in between. Usually, these machines are used as an alternative to drilling and blasting methods. TBMs have the advantage of limiting the disturbance to the surrounding ground and are preferred in heavily urbanized areas. It produces a smooth tunnel wall. This significantly reduces the cost of lining the tunnel.
This is the final drive of TBM Rudra, and it has bored approximately around 380 meters as of date, and it is likely to break through by say early November or October end. Simultaneously, station work also is happening in this area. So the work is going on day and night, and we are planning to complete this entire project by early 2025.
The 13.76 kilometer long underground stretch of the Pink Line is the longest tunnelling project undertaken by the BMRCL. 9 tunnel boring machines were deployed for the excavation work since July 2019. Till now, these TBMs have tunneled more than 18 kilometers out of the total 20.991 kilometer. BMRCL hopes to finish the remaining 2.9 kilometer tunnelling by early 2024. So there you go. We can't keep our calm and wait for March 2025. This line is going to connect a lot of commercial and residential hubs, and it has a chance of making commute in Bengaluru so much more easier. I hope the BMRCL meets its deadline. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. We will continue to keep tabs on the city's infrastructure and commute, so make sure you've clicked the bell icon and subscribe to Deccan Herald's YouTube channel for all latest videos. With Adityan PC, Hari Kumar and Kartik Govardhan, Rishika Kashyap for Deccan Herald.